How to add or remove favorites on Instagram. So, favorites on Instagram means that you are more likely to see their posts and stories on Instagram. So, in order to add or remove favorites, you need to click on the bottom right corner profile icon. Once you're on this profile feed, you just have to tap on three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and under what you see, you can find out the favorites option. Tap on favorites. As you can see all the list of the favorites on Instagram of mine. If you want to remove all, you can tap on remove all at the right hand side. But if you want to remove particular favorites, you can tap on the particular favorite button here and remove it. If you want to add again, you can tap on add button and add it as a favorites on Instagram. Or else if you want to add the new peoples or the pages on Instagram as favorite, then you can tap on the top right corner plus button and easily search the username and add them as favorite. For now, let's tap on remove all. And so tapping on remove all will remove all of your favorites on Instagram. So if you want to add them back, you can tap on add and add it in this way. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.